So good to see you, sir.
Safe journey. How was your journey?
Not bad, sir. Not bad at all.
Oh,
Thank you for receiving me.
No worries. We have to receive you.
Wow.
How is everything?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Oh, I thought you were here in Kaduna yesterday.
No. We flew in on the first flight.
Oh, the first
because
flight.
Apparently there are only 2 flights.
Okay.
So one comes in the morning, then the second one goes at 11 something.
Oh yes, I thought when you told me at 11.
Yes, it's incredible. But alhamdulillah.
Actually, the economic activities is so low here.
This used to be the publicest of cities.
Yes, but it's scary place.
Wow.
That's devastation.
What are we doing?
So who will sacrifice that for you? So that you can and the military. Peaceful resolution of the conflict. And just recently, I was in the hand myself. Yes, I know. Because they don't have an account. They deal with cash. So definitely, honestly speaking, a very serious genuine government. And I just have confidence in 1 month, 2 months. Because I spoke with the big kingpins. It's just like, imagine if you Kano in the southeast, you get to sit down with him and he gives you his words. You know, he can pacify those people.
I couldn't believe what I was saying. And that's the main reason I came to see you, Baba. Because our politicians, everybody's talking about election, but nobody's talking about the problems, the challenges. And let me say that one thing I admire about you, why I wanted to see you, is that you've always looked in your mind. That is uncommon in our country. And it has nothing to do with whosoever is in power. You will say it as it is. Even when people disagree with you, people can see where you stand on issues. And for me, okay, I would like to contest next year as president. I believe our core politicians are not likely to be able to change anything. Because I read somewhere that the classic definition of insanity is when you do the same things repeatedly and expect a different result. You know? So I wanted to see you, because if you don't understand a problem, you can never know the solution.
That is part of the diagnosis, is half of the treatment.
That is it.
You have to know what you are treating.
You go to a doctor, you still have to give some symptoms and all that. So that's why together we can rescue this country from incompetence, because it's just all about incompetence. Look, a few years back, I'm sure you know about Egypt and Cairo very well. They had huge problems. Nobody wanted. Today, everybody now is going to Cairo.
Yes.
It's all about leadership. All it takes is one man, not a multitude, not a crowd, just one man.
One clean mind. Intelligent, hardworking. That's what it does.
Now, fuel scarcity in Kaduna. On the way now everywhere. We have everything. God gave us everything. We've not been able to fix our refineries. We've not been able to decide on what we want to do with subsidy. We've not been able to say if we are repairing our refineries. Are you selling it? What are you doing? Nothing. You know, so I just wanted to say, because the insecurity and disunity, I believe, is number one. There is no country that can make progress when everybody is working just at cross purposes.
Yes. We have to line our direction, work in coordination, cooperation. And Nigeria is big enough for everybody. Everybody. And the resources there. Unfortunately, we have some very selfish ladies because they just wanted for all themselves.
Yeah. Okay, I will have this. The gas connector. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, I can mix it. I can mix it. Yeah.
So you are going to the back to the
Straight to the airport now. Yeah.
I'm going back to Lagos.
It's straight to Lagos. The flights are very, very limited.
Yes.
Very limited.
It's not coming out?
Okay. You can see in over 30 years, I've written to virtually every government, but they will never listen. Everything we're discussing, you find some of them here. So that's why I brought it. So
Okay.
that we can, yes, you can go through whenever you have the time.
And most of it, I followed your YouTube and
Oh, wow.
on live TV.
Oh, wow. Oh, the other side. Okay. Yeah, this was, I contested in 2011, and I said it was like fighting lions with bare fingers.
Oh, okay.
So,
Goliath and
yes.
David and Goliath.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that your son? Is that your son?
Nigerians are somewhere around the world. So,
Everywhere in the world.
so why can't they do it in the outside?
It's incredible. Incredible. There is nowhere. I even look at Joe Biden when he became president. About 3 of his earliest appointments were Nigerians.
Oh yes, 3 of them.
3.
They perform very well outside. Whether in the east, even in Belarus and Ukraine, I had a lot of Nigerians there.
Loads. Loads.
Everywhere in the world.
I went to a country of 64,000 people once, the Commonwealth of Dominica, and I was on an FM radio interview. It was a phone in, and someone called him. Hello, Chief Dele. I said, hello, what's your name? My name is Ineka. I said, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? And I discovered about 100 Nigerians before I left the island. Doctors, lawyers, professors, nurses.
Honestly, Nigerians are hardworking. They just don't have the who can harness the potentiality of Nigerians. The manism is too much. The nepotism is too much.
If you remove Nigerians from the health system in America or Britain, oh no problem. This is just for us to at least get to meet ourselves. I didn't know you knew anything about me.
No.
I was just coming out.
Whatever is current, don't say about you.
Dele Momodu. How are you? Yes. Are you on Instagram? Yeah, okay. Oh, wow. That's fantastic. Thank you, sir. Yes.
No, you have done well for Nigeria, really.
Thank you, sir.
It has reflected the mood of Nigeria, the nation, and what we need. So, as a journalist, journalism requires you to be widely, to be objective.
Interact with leaders globally.
Yes.
So something has to.
And I had you had a sojourn with Abiola.
Yes.
Abiola was in our house.
I know, I remember. Well, there is nowhere I go, people don't mention his name.
He's a very generous person. Very good-hearted person.
He was an adopted father. I worked for him for only 2 years, and he just fell in love with me. And that was it. In 1992, my wife was handed over to Abiola by his father in Njenje. He drove all the way from Lagos to Njenje just to be with us. May his soul continue to rest in peace.
Thank you very much for this visit.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
No, my pleasure. I wanted us to meet like this first, and if you don't mind, we continue to interact.
Yes.
I will give you my ideas.
Okay.
what I think will be the way forward, but you are the expert. So that's why I'm here.
I had fire just to the last week.
Wow. Yes, I read about that.
Oh, you read about it?
Yes.
Yes.